Yeah.
You recording?
Yeah.
Are we gonna Google, or are we gonna YouTube how to put the air filter on? I know how to put it on, but we just gonna make sure we doing everything correct. Let's see, Dodge, Durango, air filter. Install. All right, we putting y'all up on more game. We got the air filter we about to replace in the Durango. You always need your air filter because they say this air filter right here keep your power up. And you know, hey,
Yeah.
what's better than having a lot of power, right?
Yeah.
We got the keys. I'm slipping. All right, we back like we never left.
What was that? That sounded like it was an engine. V8.
All right, let me show y'all where the air filter at. The air filter is located right here. Raise it up, son. You can see we got two clamps right here. One right here, and we got another one right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Just pop them back like so. And the air filter just raises right up.
Man, that's cool.
Come and show it. Come over on the side. Got a big glare, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
That's the air filter down there. We about to pop that bad boy out.
Then we go get
All right,
the
stop
other
it.
one in there.
All right, let's open up this bad boy. The new air filter. Something so simple, but it's very important. Very simple, but very important to have for your car. If it's dirty, get up out of there. I'm gonna show you how dirty this one is. Look, nice and clean. Y'all see this? Check it out. Beautiful, eh? Hold this, son. On the side, just like that. And let me show you how dirty this motherfucker is right here. All you gotta do is grab the edge and pop it out. Simple.
Ew, that's real dirty.
Step over here, son. See how dirty this is?
That's real.
Disgusting. Come here, Frankston.
Okay.
So we're gonna pop it in, that's up. Let's see. It ain't rocket science. There ain't really no wrong way you can do it. Come around this way, son. Hold it up so they can see. And just slide that bad boy in there.
That fit perfect.
Bam. Bam.
Woo.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. We back in business now, baby. Got it on. Slide it back in there.
It's kind of really hard to see, but I still got it. When the camera, when the sun, yeah.
Pop the clips back on. You getting it, son?
Yeah.
Damn. We good to go, baby. That quick. Oil filter or oil filter? Air filter change. Hey, we ain't no mechanics. I ain't never said we was no mechanics. All right, we out.